Okay, so 10 crypto tweets that age like milk. I do not like milk in the 2022 edition. You definitely want to watch this. It's kind of funny, entertainment, and educational on the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain here, and let's break this down. So the first one here is Do Kwon Steady Lads. Remember he did that back on May 9th? Steady Lads, and we kind of all know what happened with that, the collapse of the Terra ecosystem. The next one, Do Kwon again. Your size is not your size, or your size is not size. And of course, he's talking about $10 short incoming, everyone take cover. Obviously, we definitely know what happened with that in terms of this whole situation with Luna. The next one is, remember Sam Bankman-Fried? Sell me all you want and then fuck off. Remember, he kind of said that, and then of course what happened was more implosion, more drama, and then more debates, more situations that happened, as you see there as well. And then he said, I'll buy as much Sol as you have right now at $3. Sell me all you want. And of course, we know what happened with Solana. Sol he's talking about is Solana, and Solana has its issues as well. So let's continue. Remember, Alex said this, all funds are safe with Celsius. And then later on, Celsius had a big collapse. I mean, a bunch of stuff, liquidity issues, people losing money, all funds are safe. And then something happens after that. So that was crazy. These 4 words went on to become basically a doom for the industry. So those are quotes that went down like bad milk. And Celsius, if you don't have free and unlimited access to your own funds, are they really your funds? Absolutely. So these are a couple of tweets that kind of went a little old. Remember Voyager? We have experience to weather any bear market, and then Voyager has its own issue. It's like a tweet comes out, and then later on, the real news really comes out on what's going on here. You remember TechCrunch, the collapse of ETH is inevitable. Remember that, and then later on, other things happen as well. So that's just a couple of them just to give you 2022 crypto tweets, 10 of them or 8 of them that age like bad milk, age like milk. I'm not a big milk fan. I kind of like water and juice. But anyway, 2022 edition. I can't wait to 2023 as we'll have more interesting news on this channel, the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.